Hey there, green thumbs! Welcome back to Mekirikacha TV. Today, we're in the greenhouse, and guess what? It's tomato time. I'm about to drop some game-changing tips for planting tomatoes that'll give you massive harvests, healthier plants, and way fewer problems. And here's the kicker. Just 3 simple things in your planting hole can make all the difference. Plus, I'll give you 20 to 30 reasons why these work so well. So grab your gardening gloves, hit that like button, and let's get planting. Oh, and subscribe if you haven't yet. We've got tons more gardening magic coming your way. Step 1. The secret sardine trick. First up, sardines. Wait, what? Yep, you heard me. Dollar store sardines in water are about to become your tomato's best friend. Dig your hole a little deeper than usual, drop in 1 sardine, or 2 if they're small. Add a thin layer of soil about a 1/4 inch between the sardine and roots. Why? Slow-release nutrients, earthworm party, and blossom rot prevention. More on that later. Alright folks, next up is wood ash power. Here's what you do. Mix wood ash from your fire pit into the soil. The magic formula is 1 tablespoon of ash with 1 to 2 cups of soil. Sprinkle a little extra on top to deter pests. Bye-bye, pill bugs. So why use wood ash? Well, it boosts calcium so no more blossom rot. It balances soil pH, adds trace minerals, repels soft-bodied insects, and improves soil structure over time. Plus, it's free and sustainable. Now let's move on to the bone meal boost. Mix 1 teaspoon into the soil around the roots. This helps grow strong roots, more flowers, and bigger tomatoes. So, why should you use bone meal in your garden? Well, let's break it down. First, phosphorus plays a crucial role in huge fruit production. It's like giving your plants a superpower. Next, it helps prevent flower drop, ensuring your plants stay vibrant and healthy. Plus, stronger plants mean fewer diseases to worry about. And the best part? Bone meal is a slow-release fertilizer, which means it feeds your plants all season long. Pretty amazing, right? Bonus tip, mulch like a pro. Weeds are tomato enemy number 1. Keep them away with pine straw, shredded bark, or hay. No weeding means more tomatoes, and that means a happy you. Extra goodies. Cayenne pepper around the base means no critters digging up sardines. Comment below. What's your favorite tomato variety? Struggling with blossom rot or pests? Let me know. Public subscribers get priority replies, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more gardening wins. Comment your tomato questions. Thanks for watching and happy planting.